Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. The lands manifested in a single atom are all the occult power of the original vow. According to the various differences in inclination of mind, all can be made in the midst of space. In all atoms of all lands, Buddha enters, each and every one, producing miracle displays for sentient beings. Such is the way of Vairochana. Then the enlightening being universally good also said to the great assembly, "Children of Buddha, know that the oceans of worlds have various substances. Some have bodies of arrays of all jewels. Some are of various ornaments made of all precious substances. Some are of lights of all jewels. Some are of lights of various colors. Some are of lights of various adornments. Some are composed of Buddha's powers. Some are of characteristics of fine gems. Some are made of miraculous displays of Buddhas. Some are of jewel sun discs. Some are of extremely minute, fine jewels. Some are made of radiance of all jewels. Some are of various fragrances. Some are made of crowns of precious flowers. Some are of all jewel reflections. Some are made of what is manifested by all adornments. Some are made of an instant of mind manifesting the whole cosmos. Some are made of jewels in the forms of enlightening beings. Some are made of jewel flower pistils. Some are made of the spoken sounds of the Buddhas." Then, to repeat this, universally good surveyed the 10 directions by the Buddha's power, and said, "There are some oceans of worlds compounded of jewels, solid and unbreakable, resting on precious lotus blossoms. Some are pure light beams of unknowable origin. These arrays of all light beams rest in empty space. Some are made of pure light, and also rest on light rays embellished with clouds of light, where enlightening beings roam. There are some oceans of lands born of the power of vows, existing like reflections. They can't be grasped or explained. Some are made of precious stones emitting sun-like light. Discs of pearls adorn the ground, and enlightening beings abound.